All right, now that we've identified the suspension on our drive axle, we're going to go ahead and go to the brake system. The brake system's similar to up front, but quite a bit different also. We have dual air brake chambers, and you can tell by the dual pods on here. And what that means is we have half air, half spring. When the air gets low enough in these chambers, the springs are going to activate, and that's what keeps a truck from running away from you. All right, we're going to check these chambers the same way as we did up front, not cracked, bent, broken, illegally re-welded, and no hissing indicating a leak. We have our high pressure air hose here that we're also checking, just like up at front, and all of our hoses. We're going to make sure it's properly connected at both ends, free from any abrasions, cuts, or tears. Also, no hissing indicating a leak. Now, the dual air brake chambers are different from the front in the sense that the push rod gets 2 inches of play as opposed to 1 inch of play. Now, we would adjust that the same way as we did up front. We chalk the tires, release the brakes, pull on the slack adjuster, and get 2 inches of play on the push rod. If we need to adjust that, we're going to pop the pin out of the slack adjuster and go all the way to the right and a half a turn to the left as opposed to a quarter turn up at the front. So every quarter turn gives you 1 inch of play on the push rod, so we need to make sure that we have a half a turn. We're also going to make sure that the slack adjuster and push rod have no cracks, bends, breaks, illegal re-welds, and that they're greased properly but not to excess, and no missing hardware is seen.